I was in Paris beginning of the week when Joseph Duclos released 10 limited edition St Clair Messenger bags in a striking violet, or what the French call ardoise color. The flap over is an incredibly supple, smooth, buttery soft calfskin. The base of the bag is heritage calfskin, 20 centimeters in length and 100% handmade. I saw bag number 6. Numbers 1, 2, 3, and 8 have already been sold. The back of the bag, there's a slip leather pocket, and on the sides, palladium hardware with Joseph Duclos branding. Underside of the bag, 2 leather strips to protect the base of the bag. The bag is unisex and can be carried crossbody, strap rolled up as a clutch, or over the shoulder. A big thank you to Joseph Duclos assistant Alex for being a fantastic model.